Hello everyone, welcome to my another tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to edit eye from this to this. So, first step is to bring a raw file to the camera raw filter. And here just make a slight adjustment. As you can see, I'm using my basic preset. I just set white balance to as shot, and I just make a small adjustment and we're done. I always open my photo in a smart object, so everything I will edit I can adjust. Ctrl J to make a copy of a layer. Select the patch tool, and here we are going to clean all the blemishes from the skin. After we are done with this, press C to crop it, and crop it to 1:1 or 4:5 to resize it for Instagram. Move your pupil to the middle and press enter to confirm. As you can see, there are more blemishes or artifacts, and I'm gonna speed this up. Okay, nice, that looks perfect. Before, after, before, after. Now open curves adjustment layer. Move your curve up, so we're gonna make it lighter. Select your brush, pressing B. Set it from 5 to 10% opacity, and we're gonna make highlights on the iris. We're gonna paint over every light part to make it lighter, and after that we're gonna paint on every dark part to make it darker. I'm gonna speed this up. Okay, now when we are done with the light part, we are going to make the same thing but with the dark parts. So open your curves adjustment layer, set it to dark, invert the mask, pressing Ctrl I, and with very soft brush just paint over dark parts. I'm gonna speed this up again. Okay, we are done. Now just group all the layers, press Ctrl G to group it. Now you can see before and after how nice it is. Open a hue and saturation and adjust the color of the eye a little bit. Again, make a layer mask, invert it, and paint with brush in area you want to change. Now I open the curves layer again to make it lighter, and the white part of the eye, I want to make it a little bit whiter than it was before. Last step is color grading, so merge everything, Ctrl Alt Shift E, make a smart object, open a camera raw filter, press Ctrl Shift A, and adjust it how you like it. Maybe play with white balance a little bit, temperature, exposure, contrast. As you can see, I will put a radial filter over the eye, and I put clarity higher, so the eye is going to pop more, and it's gonna look really, really nice. Couple more adjustments, put a sharpen a little bit to make it sharper. And that's pretty much it. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below or just send me a message on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and I'll be happy to answer on everything. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more tutorials. I'm gonna be dropping like one tutorial every week. I should have time for that, so if you want to learn something new, don't forget to subscribe, and I guess goodbye. Peace.